पाकिस्तानी तुझे सलाम, पाकिस्तानी तुझे सलाम, पाकिस्तानी तुझे सलाम, पाकिस्तानी तुझे सलाम, पाकिस्तानी तुझे सलाम.
The Republic F-105 Thunderchief was an American supersonic fighter bomber used by the US Air Force. It conducted the majority of strike bombing missions during the early years of the Vietnam War. It was originally designed as a single-seat, nuclear attack aircraft that can achieve Mach 2 speed. A two-seat version was later developed for the seed role against surface-to-air missile sites. F-105 was also armed with missiles and a rotary cannon. However, it was designed as a high-speed low-altitude penetrator aircraft carrying a single nuclear weapon internally. First flown in 1955, it entered service in 1958. The single-seat version was designed to deliver a greater bomb load. Could carry up to 14,000 pounds, 6,400 kilograms, of bombs and missiles on its 5 hardpoints. Aircraft can cover impressive 2,070 miles range with external fuel tanks. The F-105 was one of the primary attack aircraft of the Vietnam War. At least 382 aircraft lost in war included operational and non-operational losses. The F-105 Thunderchief actually achieved the most fame in the air war over the jungles of Vietnam. And it managed to shot down 27 enemy aircrafts. One F-105F is unofficially credited with downing 3 MiGs in a single mission also. Its highly loaded wings did not provide much in the way of maneuverability. This made missions extremely dangerous and losses unacceptably high. Even though Thunderchief pilot only had a 75% chance of surviving 100 missions over North Vietnam, they loved their aircraft. It was a beautiful airplane, and it was a real thrill to fly, said Colonel Calvin Mark Wood. USAF equipped F-105 a fire control radar, thus new version F-105D emerged. In 1971, the plane was heavily modified and redesignated an F-105G Wild Weasel. The Thunderchief was rapidly withdrawn from USAF service after the end of the Vietnam War. Of the 833 F-105s built, 395 F-105s were lost in wars and crashes. Last F-105Gs were retired in May 25, 1983. Many Thunderchief's pilots have huge beautiful memories with this aircraft and that's never die. Please subscribe the channel after watching this video. Good luck.
Results